Let's be honest, Amazon has some of the most mind-blowing gadgets that you didn't even know existed until today. In this video, we're breaking down 13 viral products that are guaranteed to solve your everyday problems and completely upgrade your home. Trust me, you'll want to watch until the very end for number 13. Let's get into it. First up, if you are constantly struggling to keep your kids away from phones and tablets, this interactive educational drawing robot is a game changer. It doesn't just draw, it actually breaks down the steps to teach your children how to sketch and learn patiently. It's like having a private art teacher right on their desk.
Stop ruining your expensive delicates or wasting an entire laundry cycle for just a few items. This portable, foldable mini washing machine opens up in seconds and cleans your undergarments, baby clothes, or socks perfectly. When you're done, just fold it flat and slide it under the sink or pack it in your suitcase for trips.
Dealing with smelly gym bags, damp shoes, or musty closets? You need these odor buster balls. You just twist them open to activate, toss them into any enclosed space, and they completely neutralize tough odors instead of just masking them. They keep everything smelling fresh for weeks. Tired of lifting your heavy toddler every single time they need to wash their hands? This universal faucet handle extender brings the water stream closer to them, making hand washing independent, safe, and mess-free. Plus, it prevents water from splashing all over your bathroom counter. Think about how much money you throw away on leftover products stuck inside tubes. This rolling toothpaste squeezer solves that completely. Just slide the tube in, turn the little key, and it squeezes out every single drop with absolutely zero waste. It's perfect for creams and cosmetics too. Standard vacuums are just too bulky for tight spaces. That is why this powerful handheld wireless vacuum cleaner is a must-have. It comes with multiple specialized nozzles to easily suck up crumbs, dust, and pet hair from your car vents, office keyboard, or the deepest corners of your couch. Please stop climbing dangerous, shaky chairs just to clean high places. This extendable microfiber duster features a heavy-duty telescopic pole that stretches all the way up to your ceiling. The best part? The head is completely bendable, so you can easily wipe the top of ceiling fans, AC units, and high shelves. Here is another fantastic way to spark your child's creativity. This adorable unicorn drawing projector projects clear, bright outlines of animals and shapes directly onto the sketch pad. Your kids can easily trace the lines, learn how to draw properly, and spend hours coloring safely. Transform any dark hallway or bedroom into a cozy, magical space with these mushroom LED nightlights. They feature a built-in smart light sensor, meaning they automatically turn on when it gets dark and shut off when the sun rises. It's the perfect soft glow for late-night bathroom trips. If your kitchen or bathroom counters are always cluttered, you need to utilize your walls. This sleek, self-adhesive tissue box holder mounts upward or downward anywhere you like without drilling holes. It keeps your facial tissues clean, dry, and always within arm's reach. Get rid of those ugly, messy magnets on your fridge and replace them with these colorful magnetic photo frames. You just slide your favorite family photos inside and they snap perfectly onto any metal surface. It looks clean, organized, and protects your memories from kitchen stains. Plumbing repairs are incredibly expensive. Save yourself the headache with this heavy-duty stainless steel drain protector. Unlike regular strainers, its unique design catches every single strand of hair and debris below the surface while allowing water to flow perfectly. Just wipe it clean and you're good to go.
Stop wrestling with jars like it's a workout. This automatic electric jar opener fits any size lid, presses down, and opens it in seconds with zero effort. No more banging it on the counter, running it under hot water, or asking someone else to do it. One button, done. It's a total game changer for anyone with arthritis, weak grip, or just anyone who's tired of losing a fight to a pickle jar.
If your under-sink cabinet looks like a crime scene, this is your fix. This stackable organizer doubles your storage space without drilling a single hole. It holds cleaning supplies, bottles, sponges, everything. And because it's two-tiered, you're using vertical space that was completely wasted before. 5 minutes to set up, and your cabinet goes from chaos to completely organized. This trash can opens without touching it, seals the bag automatically when it's full, and ties it off so you never have to touch the garbage with your hands. Wave your hand, drop the trash, walk away. It's the kind of upgrade that sounds like a luxury until you have it. And then going back to a regular trash can feels genuinely impossible. For the kitchen, the bathroom, the office, this thing makes one of the worst daily tasks completely effortless. Pour your oil and brush it on at the same time. That's the whole genius of this product. One squeeze, and the silicone brush applies oil directly to your pan, your grill, your dough, or your meat, perfectly and evenly every single time. No more pouring too much, no more soggy food, no more wasted oil. It's the kind of kitchen tool that looks simple and then completely changes how you cook. This is officially the GOAT of kitchen gadgets. If you struggle with stubborn jars, this under-cabinet opener is a lifesaver. It's hidden out of sight, easy to install, and opens literally any size lid with just one hand. Perfect for anyone with arthritis or just anyone who hates fighting with pickle jars. Screw it under any cabinet once, and you never think about stuck lids again. 10 out of 10 recommendation. How about a slice of glowing bread for your nightstand? This quirky nightlight is designed to look like a perfectly toasted piece of bread. It gives off a super warm, cozy glow and turns on with a simple tap. It looks so realistic, it might give you midnight carb cravings, but it's a brilliant and practical piece of functional decor. Manual can openers are officially outdated. This electric can opener from Kitchen Mama sits on the rim of any can. Press the button once, and it opens the entire lid hands-free in seconds. No sharp edges, no struggling, no mess. It runs on batteries, fits in a drawer, and works on every standard can size. Once you use an electric can opener, you will never go back to the manual version ever again. This rotary grater shreds cheese, vegetables, chocolate, and nuts in seconds with zero knuckle scraping. The food locks into the drum, you turn the handle, and perfectly shredded food comes out the other side, fast and uniform every time. Parmesan, mozzarella, carrots, zucchini, it handles all of it. 3 different drum options for coarse, fine, and ultra-fine grating. People who switch to this never go back to a box grater.